Sada Karina de Bangusa. Isaiah Kabisa Tigo Duiza Taru. Isaiah chapter 9, verse 6. Kaja itumli now aka paramira, itumli now mayor aka miera, Kala Shokar and the Pungra, Kala Awini, Madaka Kahai, Machini, Puncture Babare, Katamakavai Abavu, Chimney Kahai, now the Hora. English La Passion. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Hebrew Redeemer.